Well, welcome back to my channel today, right? So in today's lesson, right, I would like to share more with you about the power and the capability of ChatGPT in terms of helping you to make your life easier, right? In terms of increase the productivity or your daily tasks of be it or also help to take your business to the next level, right, with the assistance of ChatGPT, right? First thing first, I would like to explore more with you about how we can leverage on ChatGPT for social content, like right, social content post creation. Let's say if you are a TikToker or Instagrammer, right, you would like to uh create some posts, right? You need to do a daily post, right, to the social media, TikTok or Instagram, for you to maintain certain level of extraction of engagement with your follower, right? So it's very important you need to post regular content, but there is always a hassle, a tedious job to some of us, like we have 9 to 5 job and we may be running out of time. We don't have time to think about what to write, things like that. And there is where the ChatGPT can come into picture to help you, right? So let's say I have two prompt here. First is you are TikToker in make money online niche, and your main audience is people aged between 18 30, and you want, can you help me to come up with 10 different food for my video? They need to be really engaging and right? So this is what you tell ChatGPT to do, right? Just copy and paste it here. Right. So we start creating the so-called the post, right? For the hook of your video, right? And this is again, we can just copy and paste it using the hook to actually extract people, right? To your channel, right? Or to your whether TikTok or Instagram. So here is a 10 different hook. It can be, you can make by yourself a day from home. How is it how? And I quit my future and the online want to know my secret, right? Here is how I make 1,000 in 1 week using this simple side hustle stop globally you are not making. So this is some of the hook you can actually sell, use it to create your own so-called your uh, 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 the Instagram shop or TikTok shop. This is in the make money online niche. How about if you are doing is your Instagrammer in the health fitness niche, and your audience is people aged between 18 to 14. You want activity to help you come 10 different hook for the video. So it has to be engaging and viral also, right? Same thing also, that is what ChatGPT is very good at. It actually is giving you all this hook input, right? And this is going to save you a lot of time, right? Tons of time to be saved, right? And if you can just take this, apply all this hook right, into your Instagram or TikTok post, imagine how good would be your engagement, right? Definitely, there will be you're going to see a lot of increments such in terms of your follower growth, right? Right, so there is a more on the social content post creation. So today, let's say if you have a blog, you're running a blog on the technology of any of the AI tools, right, or any of the software, right? And let's say if people is looking for to know quick funnel and also go high level. These are the really two really major player in the market in terms of the funnel builder software. So let's say you want to write an article, right, in post it in a blog so people can come and review and read it, and also you may want to run press some affiliate link, things like that, right? Then you can ask ChatGPT to help to create a blog post, right? You can just copy and paste it here. So it start generating 500 word of blog post about ClickFunnels, go high level, right? So you can actually make money from go ClickFunnels and go high level. You can just join the affiliate, right, from your website. So just tips for you how to make money, right, using all this content, right? So pretty cool, right? It even create you it give you a pro about quick funnel and con pricing in term also go high level, the con and the conclusion and click funnel with that lead, right? So this is basically my idea behind the running a blog. This is super useful with this ChatGPT, but it's no doubt about that, right? So next thing is how if today you would like to actually in this lead conversation, right? You want to initial use ChatGPT for some deep conversation, right? Instead of some prompt to give you a high level response. Let's say you throw a question to ChatGPT, say, tell ChatGPT, you are Elon Musk and I want to have a conversation about business. Can you give me advice and stuff like this, right? So, yeah, so GPT is acting as a Elon Musk, right? So this is how uh, and you get a lot of business idea lah from ChatGPT. I think it's Elon Musk. This basically so ChatGPT will be actually model the thinking of Elon Musk to give you the response, right? So this how cool is it, right? So just ask about how do you come up the idea of SpaceX, right? Right, so it's pretty cool thing. So the idea of SpaceX existed for our corporation. So you can find out all kind of if you want to explore some new technology, new trend about any innovation from Elon Musk or any of the technology giant in the world, right? And you can just make use of this, right? Yeah. So another thing is, let's say, now ChatGPT is a spirituality leader. You want to start learning about astrology. Can we have a conversation about it? So you are initiating ChatGPT to have a conversation to you about astrology and so he will give you a lot of insight about what is it all about, things like that, right? And about the different planet, the star, and things like that, and how does it correlate with each other. So this kind of information you can easily find from here, right? And this is they are super good in this, right? Okay, so let's say you want to ask some kind of more silly question about, can we have a conversation about politics, right? So, of course, politics is a vast and multifaceted subject, right? So, if we give you an idea, and how should you get started about politics, right? And the next point is, so when you said to ChatGPT, you think politics are dumb and why people are so into politics. So let's see how it's going to respond to you, right? So this kind of a lead conversation is to initial some human-like conversation, like instead of a virtual fan or also someone who know knowledgeable give you an idea about how certain thing. It could be a general knowledge, it could be a latest trend on any of the different knowledge, right? So there's a and next point is that today you can also make ChatGPT a personal trainer, right? Personal trainer in a sense if you want to go to gain you're so thin, you want to gain some weight also, and you're asking ChatGPT, tell him you are the world's famous personal trainer. I want you to help me to gain 10 pounds of muscle in the next 6 months. Can you give me a workout schedule to follow? I want to hit the gym 3 days per week for 2 hours each session, right? So just hit enter and it will give you the workout schedule for you to achieve goal. It may not be 100% perfect, but I think this is a good starting for you today if you are have some workout plan, right? To whether you want to lose your weight or want to increase your weight, I think ChatGPT is a good starting point to give you a plan or schedule for. So pretty cool thing, he will give you all kind of right now it's a very detailed workout schedule, the detailed plan to follow, right? And also giving additional tip, right? How to expedite your process, nutrition, rest and recovery, hydrations, and progressive overload and form and technique. That's right. Right. So So the another angle to look into how ChatGPT can help you is in term it can give you inspiration or also motivation. Let's say you look for daily information quote, right? You're so low in energy, you're so low, and you're a bit not you're a bit depressed because of work tiredness of or you are just quarreling with some people, things like that, right? And you're at that now side of your life, right? So how you want to motivate yourself, right? And yeah, so this is basically the idea behind, right? Let's say you're low in energy, can you give me five information code, right? Let's say this is what they give to you. I'm filled with energy and enthusiasm, right? Today is a new day. I'm powerful, capable, I really positively enjoy. I'm in the control of my thought and emotion. And this is a five different code you can actually just take it and say it out every morning, right? To make you more energetic and more motivational for the day, right? So that's just actually the idea here. So let's go to the next point. How if you want to brainstorm, activity to brainstorm, right? I need to solve no certain thing. I need to go certain place, but I need to know. Let's say you are visiting, you're going for vacation. You are visiting a country or places, right? And you would like to know what are the five key attractions, right? Let's say. So in this, let's say, let me start with this example. Give me five key attractions to visit Southern California. It could be any other country, right? And you can, and imagine if you are running a travel blog, you can always use this ChatGPT can give you all these different like idea, there is a basic abstraction, right? So how good is that, right? This is a pretty cool thing, right? Yeah, I'm sure this you're going to love this, right? Yeah, because ChatGPT is going to give you a lot of abstraction from the different country, and you can become the content of your blog also. You're running a travel blog, right? Yeah, so the pretty cool thing. So next thing is since today you are learning how to invest in stock or doing a trading, Bitcoin or index trading, things like that, or forex trading, for example, and you would like to know what are the website you can uh, uh, where you can learn how to invest in stock or do a trading, right? So you can just ChatGPT, right? Yeah, tell me what are the blog, right? You see, or you go and figure out yourself, right? Yeah, I think it will give you all different Morningstar, CNBC, etc. All this is a famous website, right? Right. So last but not least is uh, cooking. It can become your good cooking companions, right? Companions in the sense, right? Um, it can even give you the ingredient how to cook certain food within 30 minutes, things like that. Those kind of thing, right? So that's how it is. You say so it's acting as the worst below chef and I, you say you have a chicken tart, lettuce, tomato, and eggplant, and also I make the other one, right? So it give you ingredient instruction how to prepare the food, etc. Right? So so you don't have to go bookshop to buy the food recipe, right? And it can even out all kind of question from here. It say uh, show me step how to cook chicken rice. Let's say for example, right? uh, Yep. So I give you the chicken rice recipe, how introduction, things like that before, right? So it's pretty cool thing, right? So let's say uh show me show me step how uh how to prepare for vacation. Okay, so what are the steps to you're going for vacation, you don't know how to do and where to start, things like that, right? So we give you a quick layout of the key thing you want to know, right? Set by side, decide on the destination, book some position, deserve accumulation, plan your itinerary. That Yeah, so this is the list. You can just take it, or you can share this with your friend or family, right? If they're going to travel and they're struggling, what to do, where to get started, and by this list, they will not miss out anything, right, as part of their travel planning, right? So that's all for the whole lesson, right? And we share more cool tips and so-called the hack in the next video about this, right? So if you would like to learn more about how ChatGPT, Mid-Journey or AI tool can make money, what's the earning potential, all these tools bring to you, right? And you can find this information from my latest course. I published a course on Udemy, and right now I'm running a promotion right for 50% off the original price, right? So click the link below this video and take this to the Udemy course. The course is a 6 hour long course, right? And over 20 chapters, you're able to learn not just how to use ChatGPT, Big Learning or other AI tool, but also how to make money out of this tool, right? So, yep, I spent a few weeks to prepare the course, right? I hope you enjoy the learning, and if you join the course, sign up the course, definitely will take your mastery of the AI to the next level, and also learn about how to make money from the AI, right? Right. And the other thing is about if you are struggling, want to learn more about the advanced part of the prompt, right? You want to have more advanced prompt, because whichever I show you is more on the is sufficient for your life, daily life. How about you want to have some more advanced level of the prompt, right? You can pick up my uh ChatGPT bundle. ChatGPT bundle is a 20,000 bundle prompt. I prepare for you to take your prompt ChatGPT mastering to the next level, right? So just click the link below this video. Everything is just below this video, right? And yeah, so the prompt will actually help you to master, strengthen your knowledge about ChatGPT, and also how with the mastering of ChatGPT, you can actually use it to make money, right, by selling all these services to the others, right? So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah.